Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Hanna calcium checker. First, gather all necessary items: your checker, the specific calcium reagents, and a clean sample vial. Make sure your water sample is at room temperature, ideally around 77 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure accurate readings. Now, power on your checker and press the button to prepare it for the initial blank measurement. This setup ensures you are ready for precise calcium testing. Now, let's perform the test. Carefully add 10 milliliters of your water sample into the provided glass vial. Insert this vial into the checker and press the button to establish your C1 reading, which is the blank. Next, remove the vial and add the exact number of reagent drops as instructed in your kit, usually 6 drops. Gently invert the vial 5 times to mix. Reinsert the vial into the checker and press the button for C2 to obtain your final calcium concentration. Once the test is complete, your Hanna checker will display the calcium concentration in parts per million. This number indicates the amount of dissolved calcium in your water sample. Compare this reading to the optimal range for your specific needs, whether it's for an aquarium or another application. After each test, it is crucial to thoroughly clean the sample vial with deionized water and dry it completely. Proper cleaning prevents contamination and ensures future accuracy. For the most accurate and consistent results, always use fresh reagents and be sure to check their expiration dates. Expired reagents can lead to incorrect readings. When preparing your sample, ensure there are no air bubbles clinging to the inside of the vial, as these can interfere with light transmission. Regularly calibrate your checker with a known standard solution to maintain its precision. Finally, store your checker and reagents in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight to preserve their integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.